Hey guys, movers are on their way here, so they should be here like within an hour or so. And I'm just gonna show you guys how messy our house is already. Just let me show you. Look at this. Everywhere, stuff everywhere. Oh my Lanta. Look at that. We were gonna start laundry, but we want to run it first because it's probably like nasty old water. So we're gonna run that. They're really small. That's the only thing that sucks about this place, but it's okay. Josh is already using our microwave. It smells really good, whatever he's cooking. I'm ready to clean this house though, it's a mess. Kitty, what do you think? She's scared. Milo, what do you think of the new home? You like it, huh? You like going out here. He likes it out here already. Wanna go outside? Go on. Go on out there. He likes it out here. This gonna be your new hangout? Huh, Bubba? Is this gonna be your new hangout here? I wish the cat wasn't scared out of her mind, but she is. I don't know where she's at. Where's she at? Oh, there she is. Chilling. Just chilling. Are you guys chilling? You already making yourself at home? Milo, you hot? It's hot out there, huh? And they're done. Thank the Lord. But my oh my, I'm so over this. I'm ready to be settled in and not move forever because man, this is awful. Look, I'm just gonna show you guys my house right now, how big of a mess it is, okay? Just let me show you real quick. Real quick, let's just look at all this. Embrace it, Angela, it's okay. You just moved in, you're gonna embrace it, you're gonna embrace it. Here's our living room. Mess. Guest bedroom. Can't even get to the bathroom. Can't even get to the bathroom. Closet's full. Oh, I guess you can get to the bathroom, but
we're gonna have a while.
We're gonna have a long while.
So this is all put away.
Bubba, are you glad to be out of your cage? But since we're so over moving, we have decided that we're going to go treat ourselves and go eat some Texas Roadhouse because this crap is no fun. No fun at all. And then when we get back, we are gonna start with the kitchen probably and the living room and just start sorting, going through stuff, getting stuff organized and things and ready, hopefully. Alrighty. What a day, what a day. Babe, where are we going today?
The beach.
We're going to the beach? Beach? Let's go get away. Where are we going though? What beach?
Treasure Island.
We're gonna go try out the beach in Treasure Island. We were gonna go to Clearwater, but it's a little bit further, so we're gonna stop
old treasure island.
So
It's
that's
not.
where we're going.
But
And we are excited. I've been waiting for this moment since we moved here. Since we got here, which was what day?
yeah, we need a boat.
Monday.
Man.
Been almost a whole week since we've been here already. Wow, crazy. And then we're gonna come back home and start putting our butts in gear again at the house because it is just a royal freaking mess. A royal mess.
Not doing it.
Yeah, we are. But I guess I'll see y'all later when we at the beach, girl.
Bikers.